You're not going to see any of this at the end, I promise. Hi everybody! So today's video is being done in collaboration with Aishu's Crafty Kids Club, and this is the Ocean collaboration, which will be on August 28th, August 29th, and August 30th. So please make sure to check out all of the videos on the playlist, and thank you so much for watching. Before me was Holly Fisher Art.
A symphony, beautiful creatures, a sight to see. From the coral reefs to the ocean floor, where the mysteries of the deep explore.
So I was thinking, last year I did a video where I put some silicone inside of a light that I was making, and I was able to hide the plug inside of it. So I'm thinking I might want to put some lights in here. If it doesn't work, I will just fill it with resin in that area. So wish me luck. Okay, so I am going to go ahead and make a little UV resin barrier here.
Sunny sky so clear, waves are calling it. Feel the breeze, catch the ease in this ocean bliss. Seagulls in the air, salt and sand we share. Palm trees sway, endless day, moments we won't miss. Relax and enjoy with every laugh and joy. Refreshing vibes, ocean tides. This is where we belong. Enjoy with every laugh and joy. Refreshing vibes, ocean tides. This is where we belong.
Basically what I'm going to be doing here is adding some lights, and I've had these kind of held down with some little pieces. Now I'm just going to UV resin those on there.
Ocean dreams in my head, waves crash and bring me there. Blue skies touch my soul, sandy beaches take control. Feel the sun on my face, life's a game I wanna chase. Seagulls singing in the breeze, moments like these set me free. Ocean dreams make me fly, underneath the clear blue sky. Sandy shores, endless days, best of life here to stay. Walking paths in the sand.
This one, I took it out because I got some resin over on the side of it, so it's not really sitting in there the way that I'd like. So I'm just going to pour some new silicone in this area.
Waves make me fly underneath the clear blue sky. Sandy shores, endless days, best of life here to stay.
Waves crashing at my feet, sun shining down so sweet. Feel the breeze, it takes my soul. In the ocean I am home. Fish swimming in their home. Natural beauty where we roam. Serenity is all around. In this place we are unbound. We all belong out here in the ocean, no more fear. Beauty like we've never seen. In these waters we are free.
Time to demold this beautiful table. I have my work gloves on because I'm not sure how sharp it might be in some areas, and I'm trying to avoid cutting myself.
Feel the tides, they got our way. In the sea we find our stay. Freedom in the waters rise. Underneath the open skies, each wave a whisper lullaby.
There we go. Look, it came out. Took a little while, but I got it out. So here is the table in the dark. So there you go. I'm going to show some pictures of the final piece at the end here.
We all belong out here in the ocean, no more fear. Beauty like we've never seen. In these waters we are free.
Thank you so much for watching, everybody. Thank you to Aishu for inviting me to this collaboration, and I hope you all have a wonderful day. Acrylic Creations by Jay Whitty is next, so please go ahead and head over to her channel.